So let's go into the cocktail. Started with the vitamins. This is in 36.
Right. I think it was pretty harmless in the beginning.
Mm.
But the addiction to the injection was the main thing that I think happened. That Hitler needed his doctor. But from 36 to 41, only like vitamins are being injected and glucose. So I don't think it really harms you. I mean, it might benefit you. He never got sick. He was fit.
This is the thing that...
That was phase 1 of his drug use, were the vitamins, until 41.
So you think the tweaking at the Olympics, that you've talked about before, but still... So you're saying this person we're watching a video of here is not on drugs?
I don't know. I don't think so.
So the video could be fake, it could be sped up.
I think it's fake. Because I think someone read my book that thought that Hitler was always on meth and created this. But I might be wrong.
And the narrative takes hold. And I think the thing you mentioned, he could be on sugar. So it could be a lot of elements.
He was also a weird guy. Maybe he was really just rocking because he was so happy what he saw, Maybe he really got into it. Maybe it was a sexual thing for him, what he saw. I don't know. There's no document showing that he took a drug on that day. Let's put it that way.
I think I've been, especially like stay up all night, I've been fidgety. You can just be caught in a certain moment when you're being like very like fidgety.
I think he probably rocked a few times and then the video was cut in a way that he rocks more or something. Also, methamphetamine wasn't yet available in 1936.
That's important to say.
For sure he was not. So what is said here on Hitler tweaking on meth at the 1936 Olympics is definitely false.